Look at that, guys. We are watching right now Palantir Technologies. After a correction of 9% right now is going up. Will it continue, Enrique?
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. What an amazing stock we have right there. Take a look at this chart. Let's put in perspective the monthly time frame so you can see like this level that
Woo!
has been reached in the highest part was the level that was being traded during January of 2021. And once the price hit that level, it got rejected to the lower side. We can see in this monthly time frame. And if we go again to the daily chart, we can see that 9% to the lower side that Alvaro mentioned. So the question, as he said, will it continue going higher and make this breakout, or will we visit lower prices again? What is your answer? Let us know in the comments below. Very, very interesting moments for Palantir Technologies.
And remember to subscribe to TradingHT to watch more content like this. And I gotta tell you, that's the mother of resistance levels because, like, we had to wait 3 years in order to see this price again. So obviously, it's gonna take a while. Normally when we have like a resistance level like this, it can take some time, to gather the strength to in order to break it. So when we have the breakout, everything is better. But at this point, we didn't reach that part, and actually, the correction is happening at this moment. But on the other hand, right now it's going up, and maybe we have another try today.
Yeah, let's see how it develops. Remember that this stock was introduced, was added in the S&P 500 on September 23rd, and that was something very very positive that was reflected in the price action. And this stock is well related also with the AI technologies and all that sector. So keep an eye on all those stocks because that could be also correlated. I want to know your thoughts about that sector. Will it continue? Will the hype be reflected in real assets and in real perspectives or not? Let us know in the comments. And also for this stock, we have a very interesting technical side from the forecast and the EPS. Let's take a look at that.
Let's take a look at the fundamentals and the forecast because we're gonna tell you guys exactly why this happened. Why the stock is skyrocketing. And the thing here is like, look
Well,
at
not exactly. Exactly in our opinion.
in our opinion, of course, in our
Yeah.
opinion. But you can gather here from the data that you can clearly see the reported earnings. It was better in the last 4 quarters than the estimate. Normally, that's translated into an uptrend, because it's like when you see the expectations exceeded, this is what normally happens.
Yeah, it's interesting, in this type of stocks, you normally tend to see more positive forecast, but maybe this one, as it is in the highest part of the chart, let's remember that we are trading very near to that highest level, not in the lower side as other stocks. The forecast for the price, forecast these 14 analysts, the maximum is just 18% to the upper part, and then the average is negative, minus 34%, and then a minimum is very negative. We're talking about almost 80%. So how do you see this price forecast, guys? Do you agree with that or not? And why do you think this could be reflected in such a way?
Wow, I'm surprised, Enrique, because look at the analyst rating on the right. We have 4 strong buys, 2 buys, 9 holds, 1 sell, and 7 strong sell.
Yeah.
That's like completely divided opinions.
Yeah, exactly. And it's interesting, because in other stocks with similar results with the EPS and all this forecast situation, the price forecast is different. But maybe this is due to the place where the price is, because in other stocks the price is way lower to the previous highs, and in this case we were approaching those new highs. They didn't happen, but they could have happened, and the price is around those levels. So maybe that's something that we can guess it's related with this situation. Guys, what do you think? Let us know in the comments. We are very interested in knowing your opinion because you always share very valuable information.
Yeah, based on past experience and past performance right here, based on these last 4 quarters, obviously, even though these 14 analysts from Wall Street, I think there is no more upturn in the short term. I would say that if we have another positive quarter in the sense that we have a better reported earnings again than the estimate, the stock should skyrocket again because it has been happening over the last 2 years.
Yeah, exactly. So let's see how it goes. Let us know in the comments if you agree with this or not, or if you have a different one. And going back to the chart, let's see one more time this perspective. I mean, in the daily time frame, we can see if we go to to the last movements, let's remember what happened, because it was very interesting being traded around this period of 2023 and the start of 2024 until mid-August. The price was trading in this kind of parallel channel, or forming some triangles to the upper part, making breakouts, and from there this last movement was very, very bullish. You can clearly see that 50%, even more. They didn't have like a rejection, and now that they reached that highest part, that rejection started. So the question again at the start of the video and at the end, how do you think this will continue? We will see higher prices for this stock, or will this stay in the lower side of this chart for a longer period of time from here? Let us know below. Welcome to Trading HT. Have a nice weekend and check out other videos right here.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.